Hello gang, how you going? Sky Pilot here. What is that? That slightly resembles an Emax Tiny Hawk number 2, sporting some Gem Fam props. What is that on the front? Well, I thought this doesn't do any HD recording, so I've got my little Wolfcom cam there. I've done some filing and some drilling and some screwing, and I've managed to mount it quite nicely with the assistance of an iFlight strap to the front of my Emax Tiny Hawk. I actually think it's going to do a really good job. So 720p recording from this little Wolfcom HD camera. What does it weigh? Yeah, stuff all. I don't know exactly. I'll put it down in the description below what it weighs. I'm going to see how the angle looks, and I'm going to see if this actually works. If it does, I might put it on some other units too. Looks pretty cool. Hopefully it's going to fly pretty cool. Yeah, different props. And all the rest is bog stock standard. This is an awesome little B&F unit straight out of the box. I hope I'm not going to have destroyed its flying characteristics by mounting a whopping great camera on the front. It's enough chit chat. Text and specs of this cool unit, guys, up on the screen there like normal. Let's get straight up in the sky and get some recording going. Thanks heaps for stopping by. Much appreciated. Sky Pilot. This could go really well, or really badly. Okay, quick line of sight to start with. Make sure everything's going to be hunky-dory. Oh, there. Seems to be okay. Okay, off we go. I'm hoping the tech doesn't interfere with the any RF signals of this unit. 300 milliwatts we are pushing here, so oh, how's that? I think they're playing cricket down there. I'll just try and fly nice and steady so that I can capture some footage with that Wolfcom camera. Yeah, lovely little fly this thing, guys. Really cool. I won't risk doing any flips and rolls as the camera may come off. Oops, sorry horses. It's a nice steady aerial. Looking down on the cricket ground. Lovely. .720p. However, yeah, we get the idea. Oh, RF signal low, thank you. Head on back over here. Make sure there is no one coming down the road. Don't think so. Get up over these trees and go through the club rooms. Oh, what do you mean RF low? You're right above my head, you plonker. It's going to get pretty sketchy under here. Yep. This may end badly, guys. Well, I think we've cleared it. Try and scoot a bit of a punch out. And I imagine our battery light will be going on very shortly. And that is a power line there. I thought there was a power line somewhere there. So hopefully you guys have got the idea. The Wolfcom hopefully has captured some pretty cool footage. We shall see. Well, actually, You should be seeing it as I speak. Oh, stuff it. Let's just try and do one roll, shall we? Oh, how did it go? Oh yeah, okay. Oh, heard or... Of course I'm not going to be able to see if the camera falls out, am I? I suppose I'll just roll above the oval here. If it falls out, well... I have to go and collect it. Yeah, let's try a little bit of acro. Okay, on power, I'm dead home. Well, I hailed that a success again. The camera seems to be intact still. So that's jolly decent. Ah, good stuff. The Wolfcom and the Emax, quite a tidy little pair. I call that a success. Flied really well, even did a couple of flips and rolls. That's pretty decent. I'm looking forward to seeing the footage, which you guys have already seen. So yeah, drop me a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys again real soon. Take it easy. See you in the sky. Bye for now. Catch you later.